Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. How you doing tonight? So if you're looking at this, this is the SST-40 or the ST-40. If you've seen the video, if you're a regular watcher of my channel, you've noticed this video. This video is of the aircraft plunging into the pit, and when the plane crashes, and it's all because if you look here, there's this little bolt right here. That's what happens. This little bolt loosens up, and if I tighten it, it's rigid. But for somehow reason, I don't know what happened, that loosened like that, and it came undone, and I didn't have this, just was kind of like hitting like that. So when that happened, the plane just descended and I lost all control. The plane hit so hard that you can see that it literally shattered the firewall. The firewall is all bent in, it's all crushed. Oops, try and sit down here. I'm sorry, doing this with one hand, pulling my captain's chair out. It literally bent the firewall and just took the landing gear and the nose gear completely out. Now, with y'all here, I'm gonna take all this off so you can see what damage we have. It's the first time I've been able to get to this aircraft. When I crashed it, I was just so tired and kind of fed up with it. I put the plane on the shelf and just left it there. So I didn't have, this is the first time this is the first video of me taking this aircraft, the nose apart, so you can see what it looks like. So here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna take this apart here. Let me get a wrench. Pair of pliers here. Plumber's pliers always work great. Funny enough, the prop didn't break, but this actually crashed into the bottom of the pit, right onto a slope, and hit pretty hard. It was enough to push the firewall down. Always couldn't remember what size. Oh, this is an 11.7 prop. It's good to know because this has a good pitch on it, and as you can tell, every time I flew this plane, I never was able to use the entire battery. I could do 3 flights on this plane. Well, that came off. That's history. What's the nice thing about using poster board or this stuff is that you can always build another one, and I'll do that. This is garbage. Oh boy. Oh boy, this really did a number here. Real number. Oh, this didn't get messed up, but sure as hell this did. Whoa. This bent up like you would not believe. Holy cow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy mother. So basically the bolts shifted from the impact. This took the brunt of it, but this is not in bad condition here. It just pushed all this aside. It did exactly what it was designed to do, but the firewall is completely knackered. You can see here, this is completely crushed in. This is history. I might as well just pull this all apart. Yeah, this is all history. This has to be rebuilt completely. It's crushed. This is the original firewall. This is the firewall that it came with in the kit. And it just delaminated completely. So the entire firewall will need to be rebuilt. And then we can put this all back together. This is just bolts. This is just, I'll have to reset this. But this whole thing needs to be rebuilt completely. The landing gear's fine. It's just, of course, it bent in like this and actually shot. This whole thing just buckled inward. So. And I like this plane. I really do like flying it. So I will be rebuilding it. And of course, you'll be able to watch along as I rebuild it. This piece of wood here, I knew for some reason this was going to fail. Because it was just like one of those pieces of wood that you were like, why is this given in the kit? So, yeah, so, ooh, yeah. Oh. It broke this. So when the firewall caved in, this broke like that, and it actually broke this off. So wow, I guess I'll have to get a new steering gear too. See, it broke it off. Sheared it off completely. Well, guys, I guess that's the end of that. But again, I am rebuilding this plane, so you guys will be able to watch along. And we'll do some improvements, especially on the canopy, the monocoat, and the firewall. I'll put some bracing on in here, and then we'll put everything back on, and so on. And we'll get this all done. We'll get this all cleaned up. And I found out these things are pretty expensive on eBay. These are $40. It's a really nice motor mount. So we'll try and get it all fixed up, and we'll put it back on and get the plane back in the air. So stay tuned, guys. We'll get this done. Talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.